So what we've introduced here recently is a lot of 8K products. And initially, a lot of people are like, 8K, I don't need 8K. There are some applications for 8K straight away, but these new products are really powerful HD, Ultra HD, 4K, and 8K products. So for instance, we have a switcher that has 10 input 8K switcher, but it's a 40 input HD or Ultra HD switcher. So we've been able to not just make separate products for 8K only, we've made really, really strong products in the HD, 4K, and 8K areas. And that's really the message we're trying to drive home, because the products say 8K on them, and they're not 8K only, they're HD, Ultra HD, and 8K. To use the future-proofing term, it's sort of there. I mean, that's what it is. Yeah, you're bridging with the current technology that is current today and also in the future. Nobody wants to keep rebuilding their studio every couple of years. And when you get into certain areas such as, the houses of worship or schools and places like that, they don't have the budgets to keep updating equipment. So the fact that they could grow in terms of their resolution with the products they already have, that's a dream. A lot of times they'll hear 8K and say, well, we don't need that. I'm like, no, you don't understand. This is here for today, tomorrow, and then next year or in the years beyond. People are always looking for cameras because you need to be able to shoot not only for live, live cameras, but also for cinematic work. So, and we have combinations of cameras that can do that. We have cameras that will work equally as well in broadcast, but also to go out and shoot cinematic. We have some new 8K products that are there. We have a new 8K switcher. We have a new 8K HyperDeck Extreme HDR, 8K HDR, and that is a great new recorder. So it records standard def, high def, Ultra HD, and 8K all in one nice compact unit. Somebody asked me yesterday, what's the coolest thing about working at Blackmagic? And I said, getting to play with the toys. I said, we have cameras, we have all these bits that we can, do our own live broadcasting. But the thing about the industry, or the world rather, is that today, anybody with a camera and an internet connection can become a broadcaster. And we make tools to help that. Now, at the end of the day, you really want good content, obviously, right? But if you've never had the chance to provide the content that you've been dreaming of because you didn't have the tools, you could never do it. But today, there's no lack of that.